Hey y'all, I'm JD Mixon with Gilbert Collision Center in Okeechobee, Florida, here to answer another one of your collision center or body shop questions. After an accident, you're probably going to have a list of things you need to do to get your vehicle back on the road. One of those is, do I need to get one estimate or multiple? Well, you don't need to have more than one estimate in most cases. When you receive the estimate from your insurance adjuster, you can provide it to us and we will begin the process of ordering the parts needed to start the repair. When necessary, we will discuss the estimate with your insurance company to make sure the vehicle is being fixed in the best way to keep you and your family safe on the road. While it seems like some collision centers and body shops work for the insurance company, Gilbert Collision Center will always work for you. That is the Gilbert Promise.
Gilbert Collision Center. We speak y'all.